Hey guys, today we are in Mercedes-Benz and we have this MBUX infotainment and control system. We have some controls over here, we have the touchpad, we have some touch input based controls over here, and I'm going to show you how to enter the hidden menu in this unit. So over here we are going to use the touch input on the steering wheel or the touchpad or the touch screen to go to the last option over here, which is settings, I believe. So I'm scrolling all the way to the right. Let me zoom in. You want to enter this, and over here you want to go to the quick access, so have it highlighted, and now try to go left 6 times, and after the 6th time you will be in the dealer mode, and you can browse this menu. There are some options over here, and like all hidden menus, dealer level menus, engineering menus, be careful what you are doing. If you are not certain of something, please don't do it, because this is a very easy way to break your unit. We have some experience with Audi MMI when someone starts the bootloader and then he or she needs the firmware disk to have the unit working back again. Okay, so we can browse the menu. Let's, for example, go into audio volume. We have some options over here, and to exit there's this option at the top of the list with the double dot, which you need to select to go one step up. And the first option over here is the leave dealer mode. So when you press it, you will just go back to your normal operation screen. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial, and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.